Hi, people. I'm here with actual people that people. Yes, I can't.
Okay. Yes.
I'm here with Cool5933. I'll put her channel in the description below because I am special.
Hello, small beans.
Yeah, I am a small bean. I have 6 subscribers. Special. Well, I only have 3 videos, so I guess that's pretty good.
Yeah. Okay, so what are we? Okay.
It's like all of a sudden,
So,
and 3 of those people are me.
Hold on.
I watched your video about lady X
X something.
inspiration.
Damn.
X inspiration. Oh, I'm gonna buddy her. Oh, I don't want your Jamalade top hat lady. Cause
I can hear you, man.
I know. I'm so mean. Okay, I don't want it because I actually have a look with the top hat I have, and I need that, or else I'm gonna die. Do you play not Animal Jam games like Whirlize? I play that a lot.
I play okay, so I play this game called Mice Course. And time to time when I'm like in the deep dark abyss, when I'm super bored and it is updating, my movie starts.
You know, when I look up Animal Jam, like regular website, it says it's still under it says it's still being updated, but I have to go to animaljam.com/game/play to actually even play.
Me too. I have to like type in like the whole thing, like www.animaljam.com.
Cry, I don't care. I'm kidding, I do. I keep on thinking that you're not on a live stream, so I just say things. I'm sorry, you're a beautiful person. Welcome. You are special.
Okay. So, what are we gonna talk about?
Our hopes and dreams. I'm gonna change my den to something a little less laggy. Like that one small house that has absolutely nothing in it. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, let's do that.
So, like our beliefs on if we think he's real or not.
I'm watching your liver. Cool, that sounds so weird.
Liver?
You can't say I'm live?
No.
Yeah, you can.
Or I'll get bubble chat.
I'm live. Watch me at. Watch, I'm gonna say Cool5933. There. There. See, it works. But I have safe chat, not bubble chat. Okay, let us sit in the den of nothingness.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and record.
No, I'm gonna pull up a couch. No, I'm pulling up a couch. Yes.
Like, say that I'm here with.
Oh, we can't even sit on this couch. Okay. I hate when you can't even, like, you pull out the couch, like, too far and you can't even sit on it. I do that a lot, I realized.
Well, you have a good background in my den.
Oh, you're special. Aren't there, like, a lot of people in your den, though?
Please do not come to my den, guys. I don't want to get too, like, laggy. Because I hate lag. Stupid. Okay. Whoa. Swear, okay, I thought it was gonna be a log in a little area. Alright, can you please leave, man? Maybe I'm trying to make a video.
Is it okay for me to be here? No, scrub.
Oh my god.
I'm kidding. We're trying to make a vid. Please. We love you, but now is not the time. I really hate because I have the worst luck. Whenever I'm making a video, people always come into like my room, my parents come talk to me, or my mom calls, or something like that. I'm gonna just like pull up a random buddy and be like, hi, this person's nice.
I'm gonna invite Bailey or Taylor for in here. because she's one of my good friends.
Oh, okay. Yay. Good friends.
Right. She's gonna
Alright.
be with me.
I love to talk.
Me too. Me too. I like talking. It's great.
Same.
Talking is G8. G8.
G9. I
World
wonder if I'm gonna get banned if I say that. Okay, no.
G9. Great job. Great.
No.
G9.
It's a.
G9.
What about
Great grandma.
G7? Could you imagine like saying that? That's a G9 job. G9 job you did there.
Hello, here. Hello. Okay. I want G7. Okay.
When I start, I can't stop.
We can record.
Oh, whoa.
Bailey, get over here. Go to my den. Sit in front of the fountain. I am here. I'm officially here.
Yeah, it's scary.
Oh my god, this person. I'm gonna sit in the fire.
Oh, I'm here with this person too, I guess. Hey.
Okay, I'm sleeping in the fire. Go. Every time when I pull up my recorder,
There's just this person
everybody
here.
just comes to my den. It's just like, hi.
She's like, and people, I don't know why. People want my spooky top hat. Is it really that special?
Yes, it is special. Everything's special in Animal Jam.
I'm special?
Everything in the world is special. Especially this scope, because this scope is fabulous. Yes, you are special. The world beyond ours is real special, alright?
Oh yeah, I'm the specialist.
She's special. I'm gonna be in the fire. Special. I'm about to record. Nice door.
Oh, congratulations.
The ghosts look like Bryn and Yuri.
I've already got 7 minutes of nothing.
Okay.
Oh well, it's interesting to just hear people talk about stuff.
Ready?
Like,
I'm about to record.
wait, with like
3,
Wisteria Moon, she
2,
doesn't. Okay,
1,
hi.
shush.
No.
Hey guys. What the heck? Hey guys. Hey guys, it's Cool5933 here, and I'm here with the world beyond ours and Bailey. Hey. Hello.
It's me.
Today we're going to be talking about Fman122.
Oh, we are? Oh.
Yes, we are.
He's coming back. Don't look behind you.
Oh god. Okay, countdown. So basically, we are going to be saying our beliefs on Fman122, and if we believe him or if we do not believe him.
Hide your kids, hide your wife.
The world beyond ours.
Why is a goat just sitting there just like, hey, I want to be included, guys?
Oh, I'm just taking a bath, don't worry. It's okay, I'm just taking a bath. Why are you just recording? It's okay, it's okay. Whoa, extreme and give one. I'm looking at that person. Oh my god.
Splish splash, I was taking
1
a
minute
bath.
of nothing.
I have 8 minutes of nothing. A few intros, a few... Oh!
So
people!
To my den right now.
We don't want... Never mind, I'm not gonna say that.
I'm just like, oh god.
Hey, guess what?
My belief of what? My belief of F-Man is that
I'm special.
I'm not sure. Oh my. Sorry.
Confirmed.
You're real special. Okay.
Confirmed. Oh, yeah.
You're super special.
I know. I'm amazing. Cause I am the baddest of. Sorry.
What are you saying?
Nothing.
What did you do?
I was saying I'm amazing and I'm cool.
Good for you.
I have 9. We better talk about something because I literally have like.
Wait. Did the person, F-Man, whatever, Alakazam, did that account get deleted? Because I can't find him. I don't know. I think it's Alakazam. Abracadabra.
I think he's coming back, so watch out. Hide your kids and hide your wife. But you know what I realized? Even though it's like super old, a lot of people are still making fake accounts. Like, there's like Fman122's dog.
Wait, go to the den so we can follow you. Because I can't spell. Thank you. Oh my god, thank you.
People, he's coming back. Hide your kids and hide your wife. Because people actually roleplay a lot on Animal Jam with that stuff.
Okay, so...
Hide your bananas.
Guys, please get out. I'm trying to record.
Guys, I'm not even going to title this. I'm going to be like, Watch If You Dare. That's what it's going to be called.
Oh my god.
The Dark Forest.
Oh my gosh, wait, I know that person. I know that person, they invited me.
Can we please leave? Go to my den and I'm gonna unbuddy everyone.
Don't unbuddy me, I'm not...
Wait, go to my backups den. It's just go to Kimbert's den, like
oh my god, this video's getting ruined right now.
go I have 11, but it's actually pretty funny, so I'm gonna keep it. Follow me, quick. Wait, people on the live stream, they're gonna know where you are.
I'm coming. Alright, there she is. Who's Kimbert? I just followed the one.
This was my first friend.
This
It was my first friend on Animal Jam. She left for like 500 years right now. She has yet to return.
Alright, we're just gonna record here, cause oh my gosh, I look like a Go 32.
Okay.
We're trying to record, please.
Okay, I'm gonna like, okay, let's make a bargain. I'll give you a high five if you leave. I know a lot on this subject.
You can record in my den. Just walk her down and let's just record in there.
Do it.
The world beyond ours. Go to my den.
I have 12 minutes of nothing and I'm not recording again. I'll record with you guys and I'll just leave your channel in the description. Like, continue on over there.
Layout? Okay. Or no, it's just fine. Yeah, sure, you can change the den.
I'm coming on my 15-minute limit.
I think he does this because I don't want to try to find a good den because it literally takes me 20 minutes. We can just sit on the floor or wait. Okay.
No, I'm gonna hide. Goodbye.
Talk serious about this topic.
Okay, so I have 3 minutes. I have 2 minutes of seriousness. Okay.
Just a few minutes. It's okay.
I'll just tell them to continue on to your channel. Okay, so what I believe about Fman122, there are a lot of fakes. No, I'm just gonna be that one person. Oh, you're welcome. Go away.
Alright, I'm about to record.
I just told my stepmom to leave.
Count down. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah, what the heck?
Best timing. Okay. So anyway, I'm just gonna say something. I have like 2 minutes left. There are a lot of fake accounts. Like if I looked up Fman and oh wow, too many N's. Okay, Fman, man of F. See, look, this is an actual fake account. That's pretty sad.
I can't see.
No, look up man of F.
Mana?
Man of F. What? Oh, man off, basically. That's a real fake account. Man off, basic. In a nutshell, man off. Well, guys, I'm almost at my. I'm gonna wait like 2 more seconds until my 15 minutes is up.
Wait, what about I'm back 2016?
Jungle Red.
There's an I'm back 2015.
Oh wow, no one made that one yet. Okay, well anyway, I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to end off this video here. I'll leave a link to Cool's channel so you guys can see what actually happens next. It won't make sense, but goodbye.